Student, today we are going to learn first what is heat engine, a device that converts heat energy into mechanical energy is called heat engine. Any type of engine or machine which uses heat energy from the conversion of fuel or any other source and convert this heat energy into mechanical work is termed as heat engine. Okay. Heat engine are two types: external combustion engine, B internal combustion engine. Now, what is internal combustion engine, IC engine? Internal combustion engines are those engines in which conversion of the fuel takes place within the engine cylinder. In this case, conversion of fuel with oxygen of air occurs within the cylinder of the engine, that is in a combustion chamber. Example of IC engine, internal combustion engine: petrol engine, diesel engine, gas engine, etc. Now, what is external combustion engine? External combustion engine is a heat engine where an internal working fluid, that is within a vessel, is heated by combustion of an external source. Heated by combustion of external source through the wall or a heat exchanger. Heat is transferred through the engine wall or a heat exchanger. In case of external combustion engine, the conversion of the fuel takes place outside the engine. Now, example of external combustion engine: steam engine, steam turbine, etc. Okay. Now, application of IC engine, application of internal combustion engine. Types of engine. This is the specific application. Number 1, for 4-stroke petrol engine. This is a internal combustion engine. 4-stroke petrol engine use light vehicles such as car, jeep, aeroplanes, small generating set, etc. Number 2, IC engine, 2-stroke petrol engine. Specific application: very light vehicles such as motorcycles, scooter, three-wheeler, etc. Number 3, 4-stroke diesel engine. Specific application: 4-stroke diesel engine, diesel power plant, heavy vehicles such as truck, buses, road roller, tractor, diesel locomotives, diesel train, water pump, etc. Number 4, 2-stroke diesel engine. Specific application: mainly 2-stroke diesel engine used in marine engines where lesser weight and reduced fire hazard are the main consideration. Okay.